In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to use web browser on your Apple Watch SE series. Here are two different ways to use web browser. So we can't directly download any web browser in our watch. So the first option is go to your iPhone and open the message or mail app and go to a chat or conversation. And then you have to type here google.com. So all you have to need, send the Google link as a message or as a mail in the conversation. Once the link successfully sent, now go to your Apple Watch, press the crown and open the mail or message app where you send the link, and then just go to the conversation, and here you find the google.com link. Open the link. Once you tap on the link will open in your Apple Watch browser just like this. As you can see, the browser successfully open. Now you can use this browser to search anything using this search box. Now let's see the second method to use browser on our Apple Watch SE. So make sure to turn on Siri on your Apple Watch. Then just say, "Hey Siri, open iPhone 17 Pro Max on browser."
Here's what I found.
And then here you will get results. Just go ahead and tap on the result that you want to see. And we can see the web browser successfully open, and here we can see the result. So this was two ways to use browser on our Apple Watch SE. Thanks for watching.